Hello, I'm going to show you today a new product we have called Honey Bee Gone. It comes in two different sizes. Here we have a 8-ounce or a 235 milliliter bottle, and here we have a 16-ounce or a 450 milliliter bottle. They're from America, hence the sizes in fluid ounces. Honey Bee Gone is a very quick and efficient way to clear honey supers. It can be used in various different ways. I'm just going to show you two here. I'm going to take the smaller Honey Bee Gone. It smells like almonds. It's all made with natural oils, not harmful for the bees at all. No residues at all in honey or wax, but it just clears the supers really, really quickly. Honey Bee Gone can also be used if you don't want bees somewhere. So for example, if you've had a swarm into the brickwork of your house, a chimney, or somewhere really inconvenient, once you've removed the bees, spray Honey Bee Gone and the bees shouldn't come back to that same place. So today I'm actually going to clear my hive in the garden. I've got two supers I want to clear. So I'm going to use the Honey Bee Gone and fume pads. Fume pads are made from similar sort of material to beer mat, so it's very, very absorbent. They can be used a few times. What you need to do, you get the spray and you get the fume pad and you just spray it diagonally across the fume pad, just making sure that all the liquid goes to the edges, and it will very, very quickly absorb into the fume pad. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put this fume pad directly on top of the super that we want to clear. The supers should be cleared in approximately 10 minutes. You can also use Bee Quick, very similar product to Honey Bee Gone in the same sort of way, and the larger Honey Bee Gone as well. So this is twice the size, and it comes with a spray attachment. If you've got a lot more colonies, you need to use more of the product. If you have a national hive or a commercial hive and you'd like to use a fume board, it's another way of doing it. So a fume board is simply a wooden eek with some canvas stapled to it and then a metal roof. In the same way as the fume pad, spray the product evenly over the canvas, take your crown board off your hive, pop this directly over the frames you want to clear. The more product you use, the quicker the hive or the super will clear, and the more supers you can clear at one go. One little tip is, try and clear your hive on a nice sunny day when the heat is going through this metal and it makes the fumes go down much more quickly. Another thing you could also do is paint the top of the fume board black, and it absorbs the heat, and again it makes the product more efficient. We've also developed a fume board for one of our adapter eeks. So a few of you may already have this. It's a multi-purpose eek, can be used for clearing, moving, feeding the bees. Similar sort of way to the fume board. It has a wooden frame and canvas stretched across it. Pop it onto the red ledge, pop the metal on top, pop that straight onto the frames you want to clear, so straight on top of your top super. Okay, so I'm now ready to put the fume pads on the hive. This is my WBC hive. So I'm just going to give them a little bit of smoke. It's a lovely sunny day, and you can feel the metal is really hot, so this will be ideal for clearing the supers. Take the lid off. Take one of these lifts off. And all I'm going to do is just put the fume pad on top of the top super that I want to clear. So a little bit of smoke, fume pad directly on top of the super. And I'm going to put the crown board back in place. The lift. And the lid. And now we will wait. Should be about 10 minutes before the super is clear. Okay, so 10 minutes later, let's see. Crown board, fume pad. There's not to be any bees in here whatsoever. Take one out the middle. There we go. Nicely capped, ready to go. No bees anywhere in sight. So look and see the second super. There's a few more bees in here. So I think what I'd probably do is put the fume pad back on that one, put it back together and clear that one as well. But there's not many bees left in here. So I'll do that now. Put that all back together. Just leave that to clear the second super if you needed to. So we had one fume pad on for 10 minutes and it's cleared the top super. So if you wanted to clear the bottom super, maybe leave it on for a little bit longer, or put 2 fume pads on, or do just what I've done there. Take the first super off and then pop the fume pad back on top of the next super you want to clear and leave it again. And I think you'll find that it's a very effective way of clearing a super. I don't think there's one bee in that super. Thank you.